停课不停学，高雄市政府教育局陪伴您一起听故事抗疫去喽。
Hello everyone, today we are going to read the book The Doorbell Rang, The Doorbell Rang by Pat Hutchins. Ma said, I've made some cookies for tea. Good, said Victoria and Sam. We are starving. Share them between yourselves, said Ma. I made plenty. Then that's 6 each, said Sam and Victoria. They look as good as Grandma's, said Victoria. They smell as good as Grandma's, said Sam. No one makes cookies like Grandma, said Ma as the doorbell rang. Ding dong, ding dong. Who's that? Oh, it was Tom and Hannah from next door. Come in, said Mom. You can share the cookies. Then that's 3 each, said Sam and Victoria. They smell as good as your grandma's, said Tom. And look as good, said Hannah. No one makes cookies like Grandma, said Ma as the doorbell rang. Ding dong. Who is that? Oh, it was Peter and his little brother. Come in, said Ma. You can share the cookies. Then that's 2 each, said Victoria and Sam. They look as good as your grandma's, said Peter, and smell as good. Nobody makes cookies like Grandma, said Mom as the doorbell rang. Ding dong, ding dong. Who is it? It was Joy and Simon with their 4 cousins. Come in, said Ma. You can share the cookies. Then that's 1 each, said Sam and Victoria. They smell as good as your grandma's, said Joy. And look as good, said Simon. No one makes cookies like Grandma, said Mom as the doorbell rang. Ding dong, and rang. Ding dong. Oh dear, said Ma as the children stared at the cookies on their plates. Perhaps you'd better eat them before we open the door. Well, we'll wait, said Sam. Ding dong. Oh, it was Grandma with an enormous tray of cookies. How nice to have so many friends to share with them. It's a good thing I made a lot, said Grandma. And no one makes cookies like Grandma, said Ma as the doorbell rang. Ding dong.
故事听完了，亲爱的小朋友，听完故事以后，你有什么想法呢？可以跟你亲爱的家人分享哦。欢迎继续点选下一个故事。